guys, what is up? This is Latika and welcome to another video. This week's shout out goes to Pragya. Thank you so much for your lovely comment this week. If you want to check me out on my other social media platforms, here are all the links. Okay, welcome to today's video. As I said in my previous video, I feel like we finally have something to look forward to, and that is the upcoming festive season. May or may not be like all these years, but still I am very hopeful, and so I have tons of festive content coming for you. And to kickstart everything off, I am clearly all dressed up, all ready, and for this video I have collaborated with the very talented Amit Sachdeva. We got in touch and decided to co-create some festive content for you, and you can see a glimpse of the pieces right here, and I'm super duper excited. I was already in awe when I saw his work on his website, on his Instagram page, but when I received the pieces in person, oh my god, I loved the intricate work. I love all the colors we have gone for. Super duper perfect for this upcoming season. Now most of you may or may not be in the mood to go for a festive shopping, you know, it just might not feel worth it or stuff. So what we've decided is to show you 4 looks using the same lehenga skirt to give you lots of ideas on how you can just change up things here and there in your outfit with pieces that you maybe have lying around, and you can get different looks, right from simple looks to very fancy looks depending on the occasion. So after all that hyping up, I guess let's just straight up get into the video. Okay, so the first look is with this golden blouse with like a pink border, and with that we paired the similar colored Rani dupatta. And here I'm just doing pleats in front, like 3 pleats, and then I just take the opposite end of the dupatta and tuck it in the other side. To finish off this look, it reminded me of kind of a fusion look, so I decided to pair it with colorful earrings and like an embedded white choker. Now transitioning to this very stunning golden blouse. Honestly, I think this is my favorite piece from the entire collection. Now this, just to break up the monotony of the gold, we paired it up with a cotton white jacket in a similar length, and I loved how it looked. It has exaggerated sleeves, and I think it really ties the whole look together. To complement the white, we added a pearl belt, again in the similar white color. And once again, to break the fabrics, we have gold metallic rings. I loved layering them on. And then finally, to top everything off, is this golden potli bag. Now I wanted to pair a skirt with like a simpler plain black top. Okay, so honestly with the styling of this one, I am a little bit lost. So I think I should call Amit and maybe ask his tips on the styling. Hi Amit.
Hi Radhika, how are you?
I'm very well. How are you doing?
Good.
Okay, so I was basically filming a video styling one of your ivory skirts, and I'm kind of stuck here, so just wanted a quick fashion advice. So I styled the ivory skirt with a basic top. I just wanted to keep something very simple, but I think it could do with some jewelry or accessories. What do you suggest?
I do agree there's something missing. So, maybe something around the neck. You have something on the neck, like if you can wear something around the neck, maybe something long or just close to the neck. It's looking amazing, but still I think there's something missing which can really pep it up. I think I've sent you a black drape.
I do have
so if
it.
you can just get the drape.
This is the drape, and just take one end of the drape like this, and what you need to do is just hold it and put it inside the skirt, like tuck it inside the skirt. Not that much, but yeah, slightly. It goes inside, and then you can actually pin it. And the other side, this side falls on the shoulder like this. Yeah. Right, you're doing it right. Yeah, so this can be, as I said, can be pinned inside the skirt very safely. I think we can easily wear a nice big earrings with it. It will really go. Yeah, that's looking really nice. And maybe just carry a golden clutch that you have. Yeah, I feel the look is really complete. I love the styling. It's not over the top and it's not very subdued as well. I think it's really nice.
This feeling I can leave. I'm working and I'm dreaming. Will you dare to give it all up and walk by my side? Do you see the road? Do you hear its call? Do you want a part of it? Just getting me above now. Just getting me above.
And coming now to last but definitely not the least look, it is this beautiful teal combo. So I wore a green busted inside with this stunning embellished bomber jacket, took my hair up, did a middle partition and tied it up. And then again we have these studded beautiful white gold earrings. Video. I really hope you guys liked it. All the links and even Amit's link will be down in the description box. Please let me know which look was your favorite. I personally had so much fun in making this video. So do drop down your thoughts, comments, suggestions, feedback and any other ideas you may have in the comments box below. And I shall see you guys very soon with another video. Bye.